The next big milestone for Android XR is intelligent eyewear. There'll be two types of these AI glasses that connect to your phone and give you hands-free help all day long. Last year, we showed you display glasses on the I/O stage. With the small in-lens display, you'll get helpful information right in front of you, right when you need it. Like seeing your Uber pickup details at a glance, or getting live translations as you travel. You'll even be able to use features like Create My Widget to make glanceable elements. The first wave of developers are already creating display experiences, and you'll hear more about these glasses later this year when we expand our Trusted Tester program. But let's talk about what's launching this year. Today, I'm excited to announce that our first audio glasses will arrive this fall. They are designed to give you all-day help with Gemini that is spoken into your ear privately rather than shown on a display. And these glasses let you stay hands-free and heads-up for things like listening to music, taking photos, making calls, or tapping into your phone apps, all without reaching for your pocket. Personally, I love to cook, but I'm not one to follow a recipe book. So it's great to have Gemini offer some advice before I get too experimental. These audio glasses have brought together an all-star cast of partners. You've got the world's top eyewear designers at Gentle Monster and Warby Parker creating iconic designs. Thank you. The world's leading electronics company, Samsung, is building innovative new devices and experiences that set the bar for the whole industry. And we've been working to bring the best of Google to these glasses as well. And yes, they're going to pair with both Android and iOS devices. These are the first two designs of a bigger collection that's coming this fall. Okay, you know what time it is now. Who's up for a live demo? Nishta is going to join me on stage, so let's have Gemini play some entrance music for her. And it's seeing the world around you, you can see. So the more hyped you are in the audience, the more pumping the music will be. Hey, Gemini. I think it's done it already. Play that music. Come on, let's go. Nishta, welcome. Welcome, Nishta.
Thank you.
I'm wearing one of the Warby Parker styles, and Nishta has a pair of the Gentle Monster glasses on. Looking great, Nishta.
Thanks, Ram. You too.
Okay, a quick preamble for the demo today. We're going to be piping in the audio to the stage speakers from our glasses. But in regular use, of course, Gemini is just going to privately be talking to us. Now, last time we were on stage, we saw the rich Google Maps experience on display glasses. Well, maps on these glasses are just as helpful, especially when working in combination with personal intelligence.
No pulling out my phone. All I have to do now is ask. Hey, can you navigate me to the place I met my friend Gianna at last week?
Hey, Nishta. I've set your route to the Redwood Grove Nature Preserve from last week's hike. Want to add a stop on the way to grab your afternoon cold brew?
Yes, Gemini. I would love that.
Okay, I'm starting walking navigation with a stop at Coupa Cafe. Turn around and head towards Bill Graham Parkway.
With glasses, you can allow maps to further understand your context and what's in front of you. So you get detailed directions like the coffee shop is coming up on your right. Speaking of coffee, Nishta, do you want to show how Gemini Intelligence can allow you to order that cold brew up ahead?
That's a really good idea. Gemini, can you actually put my usual order in at that coffee shop we just talked about?
Sure, I'll order you a nitro cold brew for pickup from Coupa Cafe on DoorDash.
So on the screen behind me, you can actually see Nishta's phone, that's in her pocket, Gemini is able to launch apps like DoorDash, then click through all the different option screens automatically to order her coffee. And in a moment, it's going to be ready for Nishta's confirmation. There we go. There we go.
I have prepared your order for the Nitro Cold Brew from Coupa Cafe. Would you like to confirm?
Yes, please. And add a tip for 20% too.
I think after all these rehearsals, that's our 15th cold brew today. And thanks to the coffee shop for putting up with us.
Definitely is. And speaking of preparation, I actually muted my text before I came on stage, but let me see if I can catch up now. Hey, Gemini, any important messages I miss?
Yes, your family group chat decided to meet for dinner at 7 today. And there is a reminder to say your daily affirmations. You are strong, you are confident.
Okay, we'll do those affirmations a bit later. But why don't you add that dinner to my calendar?
Sure. I'll add an event for family dinner at 7 p.m. to your calendar, right after your team celebration.
Awesome. Gemini not only, thank you. Gemini not only summarized her muted text, but it tapped into her calendar app to add that event. So we saw how glasses work on your phone, but what about when they attach to your watch to give you a glanceable display?
It's not a Google I.O. without an audience selfie, but we're going to do it with a twist this time. Can everyone strike their favorite pose? Gemini, take a photo of this amazing audience, but turn it into a cartoon and add a big blimp in the sky that says Google I.O. 2026 on it in fun colors.
Everyone strike a pose. Okay, if this goes well, everyone go bananas in the audience because Nano Banana on glasses is just awesome. And just in a few seconds, you'll even see that seamless preview on her watch. Any second now, drum roll. Here we go. Thank you, Nishta. Round of applause for Nishta. The demo worked, yes. The future of intelligent eyewear has never been more exciting. Stunning designs from iconic brands, engineering and craftsmanship from Samsung, personal and proactive help from Gemini, customized apps and features from Google and the developer ecosystem, all arriving with our first glasses this fall.